Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, August 13th. And you can see temperatures this morning in the low 60s across the area. Showers and thunder showers developed across north central lower Michigan early this morning, and it moved nearly due south and weakened as it got into south central lower Michigan. But we picked up about a tenth and a half of an inch of rain here in the Breckenridge area, so another nice filler rain, and our crops continue to look very nice in the area. You can see on radar that area showers and thunder showers as it moves south across the US 27 corridor this morning and dissipating once it got into southern lower Michigan. You can see our rain gauge here at the Ransom Road location in Breckenridge, about a tenth and a half inch of rain, and you can see a really nice looking field of soybeans behind me. And on the weather map, a strong low pressure up near Hudson Bay with a warm front extending south, and that's what touched off some of the showers and thunder showers. But as they dissipated this morning, as they moved away from their support, and you can see high pressure off to our south, that's going to get our winds shifted around to the south-southwest. And later today, we'll see more muggy conditions develop, and temperatures about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday, into the mid-80s. And with those increasing dew points and an advancing cold front, we're going to see a good chance of showers and thunderstorms to develop late tonight into early tomorrow. And I think most areas stand a pretty decent chance of seeing at least some rain tonight and tomorrow. Then a very warm, dry weekend ahead, muggy, but temperatures in the mid-80s to near 90, so a very summer-like weekend. I don't think we'll have an official heat wave of 3 consecutive days here in Michigan of 90 degrees, but we could certainly see 3 consecutive days around 87, 88 degrees, with maybe a couple locations hitting 90 over the weekend. So a very warm summer-like weekend, and then we'll have a chance of showers and thunderstorms move into the area as we get into Monday. Here's a forecast map for Saturday. You can see that front will be moving back to the north as a warm front, as high pressure again continues to pump warm air from the southwest U.S., and that'll again keep our temperatures quite warm and toasty over the weekend, and that's good. We'll pile up some more growing degree days for our crops. And again, as we get into Monday, we'll see this next system advance towards the area off to the east, bring a cold front through, and another good chance of showers and thunderstorms, possibly as early as late Sunday night, but more likely Monday night would be our next best chance of rain after tonight's. You can see on the WPC the next 7 days, you can see a lot of precipitation on the Ring of Fire around that hot dome of air across Texas and Oklahoma up into Arkansas. Again, a lot of rain across the upper Midwest and Great Lakes here over the next 7 days, so we'll continue to see a very favorable weather pattern. And as far as our growing degree days, this is a couple days old. We'll update that on Friday and have another report. But you can see here in the Breckenridge area, over the last 20 growing seasons, we're right about in the middle of the pack right now, so pretty good there. And then finally, if we look at the Japanese model, this is a forecasted sea surface temperatures for the month of December, January, and February. And notice the El Nino becoming more centrally Pacifically based. And then the other factor that could give us some cold and snow across the U.S. would be, once again, the very warm compared to normal waters from the Gulf of Alaska all the way down off the California coast. That promotes ridging across that area, which then promotes troughing across much of the center and eastern part of the U.S. You combine that with a very active southern jet stream this winter, and we could have some very significant winter weather events here during the winter. So it could be a pretty exciting winter season. I'll be up in Newaygo next Thursday, and we'll be talking about the fall harvest forecast at that time. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day, and 73s to all.